Good morning, student. Let us begin today's period with this beautiful thought. The two most important days in your life are the day when you were born and the day you find out why. Today I am giving the question answers of the lesson Natural Regions. First question. Read the following statement carefully and correct the wrong ones and write them down. First was, due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are not energetic. Here I have given the answer. It is false. That means incorrect, or you can write wrong also. Due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are energetic. Second, the prairie region is called the basket of the world. Wheat basket of the world. It's true or correct. Third, the trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. Third is again wrong or false. The trees in the desert region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. Fourth, the camel is an important animal of the hot desert region as it can survive without water and is useful for transport. It's true or correct. Fifth, carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large number in the equatorial regions. Again, it is wrong or false. Carnivorous animals like tiger and lion are found in large number in the grassland region, Sudan type. First question completes here. Now second question. Give geographical reason. People in monsoon region are mainly engaged in agriculture. Answer is given below. People in monsoon region are mainly engaged in agriculture because land is fertile and seasonal rain and rivers provide the water to the crops. Second, trees in equatorial forests grow tall. 2.2 answer is given below. Trees in the equatorial forest grow tall because an equatorial region has 2500 to 3000 millimeter rainfall throughout the year with dense evergreen and thick vegetation. So to receive sufficient sunlight, trees in this region grows tall. Third, vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. Answer is given here. 2.3 Summer in tundra region are only for 2 months, winter for 10 months with heavy snowfall. During winter, the land is covered by snow. Therefore, vegetation is short-lived in tundra region. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. What is the latitudinal extent of the taiga region? Page number 32. Taiga region, location and extent. That box you have to write. Approximately between 55 and 65 north parallels from Alaska to Atlantic coast and parts of Eurasia. Second, name any 3 herbivorous animal from the Sudan region. What has nature endowed them with for self-protection? Now here again, page number 33, Sudan grassland animal life. Nature has gifted them with speedy legs. Skin of the animal has colorful spot or strips or bands. Example, lion, cheetah, hyenas, wolf, zebra, giraffe, elephant, rhino, wild ox, buffalo, kangaroo, emu, etc. Third, what are the characteristics of monsoon region? So characteristic of monsoon region is on page number 34. Vertically, monsoon region one by one you have to write characteristics of monsoon region. First, location and extent, that box. Second, climate. Then third point, natural vegetation, the whole thing you have to write. Then animal life, that box, and human life, the whole box. So in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 points you have to write. It is on page number 34. Now here, show the following items on the map, outline of world map. Prepare the index. You have to buy the world map. Children, you can buy 3 to 4 world map so that one you will do it and stick it in copy, and others you can keep it for your practice. So the region Colorado Desert. Here I have given. In the index you can see dots. So dots, where do you find out? It is Colorado region. Got it? Number 1 is written here. It is Colorado Desert. Second, British Columbia. So British Columbia, number 2 is written here. Here you can find out easily in this map. British Columbia. Third, Downs grassland, that is Australia. So here you can see the Australia Downs grassland, this part. 3 is written. Then fourth, inhabited parts of Greenland. Number 4 is written here. This is shown inhabited part of Greenland. And fifth, Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea is here. Don't write this fifth one here in Australia because it is written here wrong. Mediterranean region. It is not region. You have to just show the Mediterranean Sea. So complete it till here in your copy. Thank you.